Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for coming this morning and making this morning lovely for your own self. And it's so exciting to meet everyone. Though it is online, but it's very exciting, and love to meet all the Venusites regularly. So just waiting for Ketan Daga, and I'm a transformational coach. And today, what we are going to talk about is mean. So lots of thoughts of ours which we have creates the health and wellness and the challenges at the same time. So how we are having have create our health is based on that. So this is what is the brief about the whole workshop. So my name is again Sarita Ketandak. I'm a founder of Crystal. I started this company into supporting people, and this journey just started by chance. Sometimes when we say that you don't choose a profession, the profession chooses you. So that's how the whole journey of mine started. uh, my personal journey was I was having a personal ailment, and from there the whole process started. I was going through a mental problem and mental anxiety, and the depression, you can say, about kidney 10 years back, and that created a lots of why me kind of an behavior in me, and that created lots of things for me. And I how I handled my depression very very uh, systematic way that helped me actually to start the Crystal. So crystal means gem, and sometimes there is a cloud and we need to be polished. So originally we are rocks and we need all to be polished, and that's why the whole is a journey from rock to gem is crystal. So these are my few certifications. Brief that I'm internationally licensed Heal Your Life workshop leader and coach. I'm also ICF certified, internationally licensed Access Bar facilitator. I help people become BARS practitioners. I'm licensed from Bodhi Soft Skills trainer. I'm a few thing you can see it on the screen as well. I use all these modalities when I am helping the client in a coaching session. So I call myself as an integrated transformational coach as well, because I integrate things, and uh, you know think of a moment, a sad moment, and see what's happening in your body. Just think about it and just observe your body. What is incident? It can be a grief incident, it can be a loss incident, it can be anger incident, any incident, a sad moment which doesn't make you very happy. So just think about it and see what's happening in your body for a moment. Okay. Okay, switch. Now think of a happy moment, a moment which will bring a smile on your face, brings enthusiasm, brings encouragement, brings you know the love for life. Just think of that moment and then check what is happening in your body. So you can unmute yourself and share some experience if you have to share. Anybody would like to share?
So basically, I had a few challenges in my life. Okay, and there were lots of challenges in my life, although okay, but when I cracked my Navy payment, which was one major payment, and it was a long time. So that was one of the most happiest moment. Firstly, I was serving the motherland. Plus, in the trying times, I got a good, huge payment from them. So that was the most happiest moment. One of the latest one I could recount.
So, did you feel some changes in your body when two different emotions were there?
Yes, of course. I could feel that freshness. I was ready for newer challenges. I was very open. I was open to new ideas. I was ready for newer challenges.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Because
you are audible.
okay, okay. Because in between you went, everybody went frozen. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else would like to share?
Okay, I'll say.
Okay. Yes, Vidya.
So the sad moment when you said was the passing away of my mother. Probably I was just 7 years, 8 years old, but I went back to that time, and I was getting a sinking feeling. It's a very how you feel very low. Then when you said happy moment, I remember the time when my second child was born. That was my daughter. I had an older son. So there was a moment in my memory where my son is lying down with me and my little one was in my left. And I thank God and I just said, I've completed my family. I've always wanted to have a daughter because I had a son, so I wanted a daughter. Maybe if it was a daughter, I would want a son. I don't know. So when I had the two children, I remember that particular moment that I was in the hospital bed and the daughter came, they put her and put her, and my son had gone to sleep in my arm. And I just thank God and said thank you for completing my life. So I went back to that memory and मुझे कहीं पे वो feeling इतना अच्छा लगा. I think they have to.
Some other members, please unmute
नहीं
mute
लाएगा अभी ये
yourself,
सब
please.
क्योंकि लाता है तो ही मैं खाता है ना
Margaret,
ये
Margaret.
कितना ब्यूटीफुल निकले
Margaret, can you mute yourself, Margaret?
Okay.
Okay. So these were the two things, and I really felt happy for that few fraction of a second. So I think that made the difference. That's what I wanted
Right.
to share. Okay.
Yeah. So when we think of any energy which flows in our body, something happens in our body, and we think of a happy moment, there's a different kind of an energy in our body. Now, what happens is, if we can we all mute ourselves, please?
7 years
So when we are
मैं किसी को एडवाइस
Pranav ji, can you just mute other members, please?
चलो मैं ये रख दूं क्या
1 minute.
थोड़ा टाइम बाद भी बना
Sure.
सकती हूँ ऐसा नहीं है कि अब भी बनाना है
Sarita ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes. Negative thought processes for a longer period of time. Now, and when we choose the harmonious thoughts or the happy thoughts, that the positive changes happen in our body. So just check what are your beliefs about our health, and these are the checklists which I'm putting it on the shelf, putting it on the screen. Just check, is any of them, are you having those kinds of so these are the beliefs which we generally have in our thing. I get 3 colds every year. My energy is low. I heal very slowly. Allergies, act up so constantly. I'm allergic to this. Or my heart disease runs in the family. And I get एक बीमारी के बाद दूसरी बीमारी आ जाती है. These are the thought processes. And is it this which you're having? में तो वो power ही नहीं है कि मैं कर पाऊँ. That person had a willpower I didn't have. Something like that. I am destined to get these conditions. So feeling guilty about a particular situation, price I'm paying by getting ill. don't deserve to be ill. My illnesses are incurable. Oh, this is God, this is fate, ye meri kismat hai. So this is what other negative health thought processes which are there, which runs in processes, and you are continuously pondering or just watering that particular thought process continuously, which will actually not help you heal. It will actually uh, you know okay. So being a heal your life coach and a leader, heal your life is the book was written, You Can Heal Your Life, by Louise Hay, and I'm putting few of them on the screen. So Louise Hay helped herself and came out of a very major illness called cancer, and she came out with using multiple techniques and modalities in her life to cure the cancer which she gone through. I have also applied in my life when I had gone through multiple illnesses in my life in past. So yeah. So one of the Louis believes that we contribute to our illness, and so do I believe that we contribute to every illness in our body. So whether it's a small headache, or whether it's a shoulder pain, or whether it's even a constipation or a loose motions, illness in our body through our mindset, through our thinking process, through our different way of thinking. Our So if we are very healthy, if nothing is we are doing things as per which is required. We eat healthy food. We are working out. We are exercising. We are having a positive wellness. That means your thought processes are thinking in a very, very positive and optimistic way. So whatever is happening in our body is actually the mirror of what our thought processes are. So our body, is. So right now, when we did a small exercise of thinking of a negative thought process and thinking of a positive thought process, there was some information which was given from the body. The body gives cues. Feeling good, just think too much about it. So all the both ways, the body reacts, whether it's a negative thought processes or the positive thought processes. Every incident in our body reacts to that particular thoughts. The only is the only one thing which Louis has always been saying, and I also believe it very, very strongly, that it's not loving ourselves. We don't love ourselves enough. That's the reason we create. So love is a miracle cure. Loving ourselves work miracles in your life. So when we start loving and caressing ourselves, taking care of ourselves, eating healthy food, exercising, we will come to that part also in some time. How you can love yourself in a way. Yeah. So on to next screen. So let's also check what are we, what are some ways. Yeah. So we many times we scold and criticize ourselves. हम इतना अपने बारे में बुरा बोलते हैं कि ओ मेरा नाक ऐसा है, मेरी कान ऐसा है, I've got this pimple, oh my hair is doing that. We talk good things, we just talk rubbish and criticize. But even you look beautiful, you look gorgeous, and still you find the flaws in your own self all the time. We mistreat our bodies with unhealthy food, alcohol, drugs, smoking, all that stuff which is not required. Natural stuff, not the stuff which is actually abusing our bodies. Somewhere, if you're having some kind of a bad habit, that means you're not loving yourself enough. Um, we are not loving ourselves to charge for our services. For example, if I am doing a workshop and I say, I am charging around 2000 rupees for my small 2-day course, and but I am charging low for the same course, thinking that, oh no, I will not get, लोग आएंगे क्या मेरे पास, afraid of your own and low charging or undercharging your own services, and playing underdog in simple language. Enough about your own self. Or we create illnesses in our bodies, so that also shows that we are not loving ourselves enough. Procrastinating things and delaying things, and not doing things, ये परसों करेंगे, ये हो जाएगा. So delaying things also shows that somewhere you are not very okay with your own self, because you don't trust कि अगर मैं ये कल करूंगी तो ये इसका ये अच्छा होगा, या you're not trusting yourself enough. Around you, a disorder around you, the chaos around you, that also shows that you're not loving yourself enough. We create lots of debts and burdens, and we also attract lovers and mates and friends. So these are the people. This shows when person who comes and belittle us in our life, somewhere yourself, the message goes to the universe and the people and around us कि अपने आप को तो वैसे भी abuse कर रही, मैं भी अगर कर दूंगा तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So we attract these kind of people in our life because actually we are abusing our own self. We attract people in our life because somewhere we say negative things to our own self in the process. About the debt part, yes, we create lives because somewhere we feel we are not capable enough to pay the debts. So हमको अपने ही ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है, इसी के लिए we create all these things because we don't trust ourselves that we are capable of paying debts. That's the reason these are things. So check out if these are any of these are the things which you're doing, or maybe there are many more pointers, of course, which shows that which are the ways which we don't love ourselves. Okay, so how can we do our mental house cleaning? It's very important to know how to do our cleaning, and that's the main thing. हाँ, हमको पता है गंदगी है, मगर साफ कैसे करना है? So let's learn that. So examine your past में. Check out what beliefs are you carrying about your own self. Okay, are you a pessimistic thinker or an optimistic? And start cleaning the beliefs about the relationship, about the money, about the health. Now, a cleaning process, I will come in a later, part. I'll talk about it as well. Okay, some beliefs will, there are some beliefs which we have, which we look at it with lots of love. So they are negative. If when we see it with lots of love, that means they are a positive beliefs. हर belief को change करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वही belief को change करना है जो belief आपको help नहीं कर. हमको you have to come out of that whole thing. And some beliefs are such it needs little bit of a repairing. Some need little bit of cleansing. How we clean our. We go it, give it in laundry, or we give it for stitching, and we repair it and we wear it. So some beliefs need little bit of changes that time. Any kind of a belief which doesn't serve you or doesn't help you, we have to let it go. It has to let it go. We have to empower that whole belief with a positive belief. कि ये एक बिलीफ हमारे पास है और हम पहले उसने मुझे सर्व किया है तो अभी भी ये सर्व करेगा उसी बिलीफ के साथ. The people change, your life changes, your style changes, every moment, every second, our cells are also changing. So change is inevitable. And if you're changing a belief, even becomes a limiting belief. Are you wearing the clothes which don't fit you? Or are you wearing the clothes which are faded out? We remove it and we buy a new belief, or we buy new clothes. Yeah. Change it if it doesn't serve you. And let's check our few limiting beliefs and from where they come from. Small story about elephant. Everybody has heard elephant is very huge, and in our childhood when the elephant was calf, he was सर्कस एंड उसको टाई किया गया था, तभी उसके दिमाग में फिट हो गया है कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं नहीं चल पाऊंगा, मैं नहीं यहाँ से निकल सकता हूँ. बट एज एंड व्हेन द एलिफेंट ग्रोज, the same limiting beliefs is there. He doesn't know the potential which is going to help him to get freedom. But that belief कि नहीं नहीं बचपन से ही ये belief है कि ये chain बांध, the elephant move out from that particular phase. So what is the limiting belief? And so a limiting belief is I am not good enough. So I am not good enough. Now what you have to do in a cleansing, you have to just check from where it has come. ये कहाँ से आया है? So ये आया है जहाँ पे इनके इसके father ने repeatedly told him that you are stupid, you are not doing well, you are not getting good marks, you are how you are going to cope up in your life. This is a limiting belief that I am not good enough, and but where it is coming from? It is coming from a father who repeatedly told him that he is stupid. And the one is lack of self-love. Now, where did a lack of self-love came up? The nose is not proper, eyes are small, cheeks are very high, cheeks are very low, eyebrows are not very well, hair is curly, hair is straight. All that stuff comes from somewhere. The thought process comes from. So a person who is having a thought process is like, my dad didn't approve me, will probably create a limiting belief. A lack of self-love. And the third one, which is my life is dangerous, life is tough, life is people not to be trusted. We absorb lots of things from our family, we absorb lots of things from our parents, we absorb lots of things from this. A change is inevitable, and change is the way to bring in the freedom which you want in your life. You need to diagnose that from where your thought processes came, what you're having. The thought which is not helping you grow needs to be checked from where it is coming. This is a small exercise you can do, remove a snapshot of that, and you can do it as a home play. I say play because work, सबको work करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो home where our belief comes, take a paper and list down all the things your parents said wrong to you. Okay, now right now we are taking deeply about it. Sit at one place, write down at one place, and see what are the places where your parents abused you, or parents said this is not way. They also function from the place that they have been learned from their parents. So we are not putting across your parents were wrong, said something wrong. We are just checking that a negative belief is there. We start from the parents because parents are our first connection, and then the society and the teachers and the friends come into picture. We just need to check from where it is coming, or you can give yourself around 30 minutes time and start asking this across What did they say about the money part? Anything about the finance. If you're having a financial issue, then you will be writing about the money part. If they're saying something about your body, or even their body. One minute, huh? Sorry, 1 minute. Sorry. Mhm. So what did they say about your body and even their bodies? So sometimes that's the reason we start taking and we start mimicking them, and we also start abusing our body. What did they say about your creative talent? So if you're doing, you are the color came out of it, they start abusing you. Or why I'm using the word abuse is just to get a connect with the negative thoughts which they were saying. It can be critic also, it can be mind changing also. So when they use the word but after any good statement, you start feeling ke itna acha to kiya, usme bhi वापस but डाल दिया. So you are not good enough, you will not be able to do things, or you are good only if you do this thing. So check out these things to you, uh, that in case, for example, if you choose a particular field and they stopped you, no, you will not be able to do things. ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास इसका कैलिबर, you don't have a caliber of doing. You need to have this is certification, then only you will be able to do all these things. So where are these thought processes coming from? Right now I'm just taking few questions, but these 4 main questions, if you ask negative things, you will get lots of answers. Once you start doing about these parents, start thinking from where, what the society was saying, what the people and the teachers were saying, So, what are thoughts? Thoughts are, it's just a belief, and it can always be changed with a positive thought. Beliefs which doesn't serve us, lots of illnesses and challenges in our body. Whether it's, it's like as simple as whether it's boys don't cry and girls don't cry. Small beliefs also into a positive beliefs as well. So these are the few thought processes. A negative. So we think a lot, if someone has told you something about, or about, okay, you're not doing this good, or someone told you something, you had a fight or a difference of opinion in the house, and then you start to think, oh, this person. This creates a problem. The overthinking is art of creating problems that weren't even there. So we create a story in our own life. So we say, no, creating drama and trauma in our life. We Indians are very much used to creating drama. ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और उस ड्रामा को हम ट्रॉमा भी बना देते हैं, और फिर बड़ी बड़ी बीमारियां हमारे लाइफ में आ जाती है. So always first take care of yourself. Which is being said in, when you are having a flight, to first wear your mask and then help others to wear their mask. तो पहले खुद अपने आप को सबके लिए सब कुछ कर पाओगे, and you will also be able to have freedom of living life happily. So these are the few cues you should not ignore. Screen. So if you have even a mild pain in your body somewhere, anywhere in the body, just pay attention. Just don't ignore it. कि नहीं, ये ऐसा थोड़ा सा सर दुख रहा है. Listen to your body. Your body is much more smarter than you. So body को सबसे पहले सुनना है, and you to understand what is the body trying to give me a message. It means that it needs, some warmth, some way of taking care of itself. If there is mild headache, just check is there any kind of a stress which is going in your life, that you're overthinking the things too much, and that's the uh, thing which is really creating headache in your life. Are you craving for too much of food, or excessive food like salt and sugar? These are the cues which body gives us. Okay, something is lacking in our bodies. Our body needs our attention, immediate attention. Some irregular body excretion, so it can be a sweating, urination, it can be a stool or constipation, any kind of a stuff, any kind of a strain, any kind of a stretch, or the muscle pain, or anything which we have. Please, please, please listen to your body. You know, are affecting your body parts. So, okay, harmonious thoughts, and what are harmonious thoughts going to do for us? So, when harmonious thoughts are flowing in our body, the illnesses actually are away. Once you start thinking about a positive thoughts, the illness just actually find healers who will help you come out of that particular illness, because the harmonious thought is that I want to come out of this, I want to be healthy, I want freedom from all the illnesses, I want to have a healthy body. Yeah. So harmonious thoughts, abundance, and it is enough for everyone. So that sometimes the thought of that you are scarcity, the scarcity is there of money, you're not prosperous enough, or you're not earning. The universe has abundance. It is absolutely there. So you just don't have to think they mere liye hai ki nahi hai. It's enough. Just have to work on your belief system. What is there? All will be all right. All will be safe, and you are safe. Start analyzing and believing that, and you are safe in this world. World is a safe place to live. These are the beliefs which and the thoughts which you should all have. Love is a cure of to create miracles. Universe loves you. Universe absolutely loves you. अगर बीमारी आई है तो उसमें भी कुछ सीख के जाइए कि प्यार करता है कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपने somewhere. So universe is trying to tell you something. So listen to that. It loves you. It cares for you. It has, of course, but yes, it definitely loves you. Forgiveness is very very easy. It's very easy. जितना difficult हम बनाते हैं उतना है नहीं. Forgiveness is really very easy. Gratitude improves our health, self-esteem. Thank you. Thank you to human beings. Thanking you to the non-living things as well. So if you start being in gratitude, you know, blossoming around us. Yeah. And the last but not the least, smile. Smile increases the endurance, blood pressure, stress, pain, and more. So I will talk. 10 days I had a blood pressure, and it was so high that medicine से भी मेरा नीचे नहीं हुआ. And I said ऐसा मैंने क्या stress ले लिया कि that I am the blood, talking with the doctors, my healers, my coaches, and a few counselors whom okay, what is it which is bothering me, can you just ask me a few questions? And I also started asking few questions to my own self. And somewhere I was overworking, the overwork. I was weeks. I just shutted down everything. I just took a proper nice rest at home. My BP just went down in 1 week. That one part कि मैंने smile, इतना काम है, खुश हूँ अंदर से, but smile was not coming on the face. And when the smile started coming, when I started enjoying, when I started, the BP had to go. BP had to say कि ये इस घर में मैं रह नहीं सकता हूँ, ये बंदी तो बहुत खुश है भाई, इसको तो अभी यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा, कहीं और घर देखो. And I just kicked that BP out of my body. And it's just a week, a 10 anytime, any place, and you can put and kick that illness out of your body with a smile and that attitude. So there are few self-enhancing activities which you all must do, and we will do few of them right now. So laughter, if you can just do one small quick thing. So unmute yourself, everyone, and we are going to laugh, right? वो रामायण में हम लोगों ने देखा था ना रावणा को कैसे हंस रहा था वो It's so simple to laugh.
So true, so true.
And the person who was seriously doing something or must be having some cup of tea, उसका या तो चाय गिर गई होगी या तो चाय साइड में रह गई होगी. That person also starts laughing. We smile, we laugh when we actually hear laugh. So see lots of laugh, around your own self. Second one is self-love and self-ishq. So मैं हम ये कहाँ पे कि बहुत लोगों ने ये बीच में ऐसा फैलाया था कि सेल्फ लव का मतलब तो सेल्फ इश होता है, बट आई सेड इट सेल्फ इश कैसे करना है, जैसे कि आर्म्स लाइक दैट एंड यू जस्ट होल्ड योर हैंड्स एंड जस्ट हग योर ओन सेल्फ. नाउ इट डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर अ मेल और फीमेल, यू कैन हग योरसेल्फ. ओके, जस्ट हग योरसेल्फ. To put on your camera, I know it, you're doing it, and you're doing it for yourself. So whenever you're feeling upset, whenever you're something is popping up, बहुत सारा thoughts है, just interact with friends, family, express. I have missed out to write word family also in the thing, but family first and then comes the friends. And अगर आप मार्केट है, दुकान, स्टेशनरी दुकान बहुत सारी मिलती है, वहां पे जर्नल भी मिलती है, वहां से आप बुक खरीद लो, बुक का नाम interacting and expressing what is going on in your life. Adopt hobbies. Hobbies you like, whether it's painting or music or singing or dancing or anything. Just adopt to something which will make you happy. Have good food, have balanced diet food. Connect with Shilpa Mittal from our group. She's a dietitian. She's not here today. Exercise. Exercise is a very, very important part, whether you do yoga or whether you do just a small walk around, or whether you you do Zumba or you do dance or you go to a gym. Anything is okay. Brain exercises. We will do one small brain exercise right now. Whether you can see the screen properly or no, if you can just click on my, then you will be able to do that. So one of the exercises which I'm just showing you is, your hand is like this. Yeah. So you go. So yeah, this and this goes both together. So there are, your left and the right brain both works together. It is an exercise for your brain. Okay, another exercise which you can do it is a lazy 8. So what you do is you take, put it across, art banaiye yahan pe, infinity banaiye on the eyes. If you can see the screen, I'll put it across like this. So you make an infinity, you go it in this direction. So lazy 8. ये सोया हुआ 8 हमको balances the right and the left brain. It increases left brain, logical and creative mind दोनों काम करने चालू करते हैं. If your work is logical, somewhere a creative mind stops. So ये the paper as well. I have not shown on the screen for the image. So there are many brain exercises. If you check out The website, you'll get lots of brain exercises which you can do very simple way. Journaling, I also mentioned, interacting, and journaling helps you a lot. Know your purpose of life. Know your purpose of life. Join an NGO if you feel like. If your purpose of life is helping people, or you have a, for example, I had a different business in my past. So I was a designer a few years, and then I had a doing right now is absolutely my purpose of life. It's like ये इसमें से मुझे बहुत सुकून मिलता है. इसमें से connect with people when I'm helping people enhance their lives. So this is my purpose of life. See, check out what is your purpose of life and enhance on that thoughts. Forgiveness. Trust me, it's really, really, really easy. Tell and ask for forgiveness to that person जिसने भी आपको hurt किया है, तो आपने किसी को hurt किया है. Oh, you take one paper, you just write down the name of that person and just fold that person and just myself free. I let you and let myself free. And then what you do is you just burn that paper, tear it. You don't have to tear it, just burn the paper. What happens is slowly, the list of people will start diminishing in the forgiveness. Just write down the list of people जिन लोगों ने आपको hurt किया है या आपने किसी को hurt किया है. दोनों. You have to write down both the things. You don't write to no need to write the की जरूरत नहीं. वैसे ही बहुत सारी stories दिमाग में चल रही है. Just write down the names of the people and you will be done.
Hi, Sarita.
Yeah, hi Deepa. I just take
Sarita, for your information, we have last 5 minutes left. You will have to end the PPT in 5 minutes for the Q&A to start. Thank you.
Yes, I will do that. This is last slide as it is. Gratitude is a way where, when you start thanking people and you start thanking things around, it starts helping us and it helps us in a way, helps us in our enhancing our health. So talk to your body. अगर समझो सर दुख रहा है, for example, you tell your body priorly, thank you so much for healing faster. Meditation is one of the way. We will, if we have time, we might do the meditation appointments. You can take counseling appointments, talking to friends. Don't be afraid if you're having some kind of challenges. Learn new skills. Read books. Listen to podcasts. So podcasts can be any speaker who are motivational speaker. Listen to them. Changes in your life. Okay, so I will take this meditation in a minute. It's just a 1 minute meditation, not.
Sarita, we are time up, my dear.
To talk about my self-care workshop. It's a.
No, Sarita, I'm sorry. We are running out of time.
You said 5 minutes, right? So 5 minutes is not over.
It is over because then otherwise we have to skip the Q&A.
I will. Can you just?
I request you to stick to the time, please.
Yeah, I know that. I'll just take 1 minute. I'll not take much time. It's over actually. I'll not even do the meditation. I'll just take 1 minute over here. So, you can connect with me for more details for that. And this is about success traits, which you can register. Its registrations are on. You can connect details. You can take a snapshot, especially the guests and visitors who are there. And yeah, thank you so much. And sorry for missing out for the meditation. If I would have known, I would have, minus down my timing that time. No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sarita.
Thank you, Sarita. Is Vijay Di there?